Video we're gonna be making rice top with chicken / in my country Thailand Khao Man Gai. So what we're gonna do first is put in our whole chicken, and now we're gonna put in our galanga, and now then we're gonna put our fresh lemongrass. So after that, we're gonna put a tablespoon of chicken powder. We use this brand. So now we're gonna put a whole bottle of water, and now turn on the cooker to let it steam and cook the chicken. So we just let it marinate for a little bit. So now we're gonna put in a teaspoon of our table salt, so we just let it simmer. Now we're gonna put a little bit of our soy sauce. Now we're gonna let that boil and cook, and then we're gonna see you later and tell you. So while we wait cooking our food, we're gonna make our sauce. So what we're gonna do is put in our soybean paste, and now we're gonna put a few squeezes of our lime. So after those 4 limes, we're gonna put our chopped chilies, and after we're gonna put in our black soy sauce. I'm gonna put a couple of teaspoons of that. So now we're gonna put in our oyster sauce. And now we're gonna be putting our soy sauce. To give it some flavor. And after, we're gonna put in all of our garlic, and now we're gonna put in our ginger, so now we're gonna put two teaspoons of sugar, and now we're gonna put two tablespoons of hot water. And now we're gonna put our MSG for Uncle Roger. And now we're gonna mix that in. Boiling and cooking the chicken, and now we just played it up. So now we're gonna eat it. I'm gonna put in some makeshift sauce, and let's see. Take a big bite. And in this cuisine, we eat it with cucumbers. So now we also eat it with our soup. And let's taste our soup. Perfect. See you in the next video. Bye.